This 2018 Keystone Laredo 325RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Middlebury, in 46,540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.